How to auto-play and scroll YouTube Shorts control on Chrome. Search and install YouTube Shorts Control extension for Chrome and Strat to watch YouTube Shorts. This famous Google Chrome extension helps you to play YouTube Shorts one after another in volume mute, speed change and play point, bigger screen with PIP and full screen and more. After installed YouTube Shorts Control extension, click on Add to Chrome pin this extension for easy to use.
Don't you want me like Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Oh, you got Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Abaz.
유진! 아이야!
If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like.